Hyundai Genesis. 21mm lug nuts. Take off your tire. Back, 2 14s. One here. One down there. Take off your caliper now. Alright, we remove both number 14s. And we're just going to take off your caliper. Oops. Take off your caliper. You're going to need to compress your piston. Remove your old brake pads. Put in your new ones. Alright, piston's been compressed. New brake pad installed. And put back on your caliper. Alright, caliper is installed. Tighten down your two number 14. Pump your brake pedal before you move. After you put on your wheel and tire. That's the Genesis rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.